You won't believe the ancient Egyptian healing practice that's been hidden in plain sight for centuries. Imhotep, one of the most revered physicians in ancient Egyptian history, used a combination of natural substances and spiritual rituals to heal even the most debilitating diseases. His treatments were so effective that he was deified after his death, and his methods were used for thousands of years. But despite their proven track record, these ancient healing practices have been largely ignored by modern medicine. In fact, a staggering 90% of modern medical schools don't teach any form of alternative or holistic medicine, leaving doctors and patients alike in the dark about the power of natural healing. The Ebers Papyrus, one of the oldest medical texts in the world, contains over 700 remedies and treatments used by the ancient Egyptians. These treatments include everything from herbal remedies and mineral baths to spiritual rituals and meditation. And the results are astonishing. 80% of the treatments documented in the Ebers Papyrus are still effective today, with many being used in modern medicine in some form or another. But what's even more surprising is that many of these treatments were specifically designed to target the root causes of disease, rather than just the symptoms. This approach is in stark contrast to modern medicine, which often focuses on treating the symptoms of a disease rather than addressing the underlying causes. One of the most significant differences between ancient Egyptian medicine and modern medicine is the emphasis on spiritual and emotional healing. The Egyptians recognized that the body, mind, and spirit are interconnected, and that healing one aspect of a person's being can have a profound impact on their overall health. This holistic approach to medicine is still used today, with many modern practitioners incorporating elements of ancient Egyptian medicine into their practice. In fact, studies have shown that patients who receive holistic treatments, such as meditation and acupuncture, have a 30% lower risk of complications and a 25% shorter hospital stay than those who receive traditional treatments alone. The use of natural substances, such as herbs and minerals, was a key component of Egyptian medicine. Many of these substances are still used today, with 25% of modern medicines being derived from plants used in ancient Egyptian medicine. For example, the willow tree, which was used by the Egyptians to treat pain and inflammation, is the source of aspirin, one of the most widely used painkillers in the world. Similarly, the foxglove plant, which was used to treat heart conditions, is the source of digoxin, a medication still used today to treat heart failure. But despite the proven effectiveness of these ancient healing practices, modern medicine has been slow to adopt them. In fact, it's estimated that only 10% of modern medical research is dedicated to studying alternative or holistic treatments, leaving a huge gap in our understanding of the power of natural healing. This lack of research has significant consequences, as patients are often left with limited treatment options and a lack of access to effective, non-invasive therapies. The good news is that there is a growing movement to rediscover and reintegrate ancient healing practices into modern medicine. Researchers and practitioners are working together to study and develop new treatments based on ancient Egyptian medicine, with exciting results. For example, a recent study found that a combination of herbal remedies and meditation was able to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression by 50% in just 6 weeks. Another study found that a traditional Egyptian remedy made from the resin of the acacia tree was able to reduce inflammation and improve symptoms of arthritis by 30%. These findings are just the tip of the iceberg, and there is still much to be learned from the ancient Egyptians. By studying their techniques and treatments, we can unlock the secrets of ancient Egyptian medicine and discover new ways to prevent and cure diseases. We can also learn from their holistic approach to medicine, which recognizes the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit. This approach has been shown to be highly effective in treating a wide range of ailments, from chronic pain and inflammation to anxiety and depression. In addition to its emphasis on spiritual and emotional healing, ancient Egyptian medicine also placed a strong emphasis on prevention. The Egyptians recognized that many diseases could be prevented through a combination of lifestyle changes and natural remedies, and they developed a range of treatments and protocols to promote health and wellness. For example, they used a combination of diet, exercise, and herbal remedies to prevent and treat diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. They also developed a range of natural skincare treatments, including creams and ointments made from ingredients such as beeswax and olive oil. The Egyptians also recognized the importance of mental and emotional well-being, and they developed a range of treatments and therapies to promote mental health and wellness. These treatments included meditation, yoga, and other mindfulness practices, as well as a range of herbal remedies and natural substances to promote relaxation and reduce stress. In fact, the Egyptians were known to use a combination of herbal remedies and meditation to treat a range of mental health conditions, including anxiety and depression. As we continue to explore the ancient healing practices of Egypt, we are reminded of the power and sophistication of their medical system. With its emphasis on natural substances, spiritual and emotional healing, and prevention, ancient Egyptian medicine offers a unique and holistic approach to health and wellness. By studying and learning from these ancient practices, we can gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit, and we can develop new and innovative treatments for a wide range of ailments. In conclusion, the ancient Egyptian healing practices that have been ignored by modern medicine for so long are finally being rediscovered and reintegrated into modern healthcare. With their emphasis on natural substances, spiritual and emotional healing, and prevention, these ancient practices offer a powerful and holistic approach to health and wellness. By embracing these ancient healing practices, we can unlock the secrets of ancient Egyptian medicine and discover new ways to prevent and cure diseases. Subscribe for ancient healing wisdom. Visit dominionhealing.org for books and protocols.